Hello everyone, my name is Harry Potter. Good afternoon, people. We are at this place called Saigon Lotus. It is a vegan and vegetarian restaurant in Kensington Market, and focused on, well, obviously Vietnamese food. Okay, so everything looks amazing. So we are going to get a soup. We're also going to get a vermicelli bowl and also a starter. So this is called banh mi, or basically like stuffed rice. And then there's, I think we got the one with wild mushroom, and it looks delicious. Alright, we just finished at Saigon Lotus. So, we are walking around Kensington now. Super cool area, very hipster, lots of shops. Hello everyone, my name is Harry Potter. We're buying fake glasses. Felix got glasses. 4 eyes, 4 eyes.
The cool 4 eyes.
Eh. Oh my god, vanilla based cupcakes, chocolate based cupcakes, ice cream, all vegan. What? $1 more. So we got a waffle cone and a cookies and cream. Me and Teresa are gonna share. Just had some vegan ice cream, very good. It was made from cashews. It was almost too creamy and too rich, but very good. We're heading now to
Eaton Center.
Eaton Center, the very opposite of this place. Yeah. Commercial, mainstream,
and indoors.
And indoors.
And no vegan options.
No vegan options. So we got some blue slush, aka liquid candy, from BMO. I don't think I can finish this. I don't think I should finish this. So we are done at Kensington Market, and now we are in downtown Toronto, about to go to Eaton Center and do some more shopping. Hello dear, hi! This is the bao panko tofu. It's pretty good. Apparently we just saw a model on the street, and I don't really know my models very well.
Birthmark.
The model with the birthmark on her face.
She's black, but she has like white skin all over.
Oh really?
Yeah, it's cool.
Oh, she just walked by us, and my friends were like, oh my god, there's a model! And I was like, what?
Even I know her. Or should I just send it to people?
People, who cares?
Story.
So I feel like this looks like everyday wear for me. But it also looks like a weird blindfold, and I don't like it.
What's up with this? Is this a scratch?
High quality.
Very high quality. So we are here at Dundas Square, the Canadian Times Square. So I'm wearing Felix's newfound glasses. Apparently we have the same shape of face. I don't know, do you have a round face? Because I do.
You got a wider jaw.
Thanks, that's great. Really like it when people tell me how wide my jaw is.
Fingerprints on a rose.
I'm so sorry. Will you forgive me? Yo, yo, we are at a Korean place. We're about to get food. I think I'm gonna get bibimbap, and we're also gonna get some vegetarian
Pan-fried
dumplings. Pan-fried dumplings. Gunmandu. Gunmandu.
Korean, yeah.
Gunmandu. Mandu is dumplings. Gun means it's like pan-fried. Okay. This place is called Yummy Korean Food
Restaurant.
Oh, Yummy Korean Restaurant. Very
Korean food restaurant.
Oh, Yummy Korean Food Restaurant. Very straightforward. Very good reviews. So I think they live up to the name. We got some dumplings. These are pan-fried vegetarian dumplings. That's Felix's drink. How do you feel about that, Felix?
Pretty good.
I kind of love it. Kind of want to take a picture. We are now at Bang Bang Ice Cream. There's a big line. because it's a hot, very hot day today. And I haven't stopped eating all day.
You are so tired.
I got super dark at the Blue Jays game. I think they have vegan ice cream, so I'm gonna have to get something. And I feel like I literally haven't stopped eating since I got to Toronto. And I have a donut still in my bag, of which I have not consumed yet. Yet I'm still getting more food. Here's my half an ice cream sandwich with a vegan / gluten-free cookie. And the ice cream is, I should have got 2 flavors. It looks like I can get 2 flavors.
Yeah.
Ice cream is mango with sticky rice. Oh my god, I don't know how to eat this. Breaking. Oh my god, how cute is this dog? Aww. He wants to join. We are now at Chula. I think I might either try the spicy portobello mushroom burrito or the burrito bowl. I got the spicy portobello mushroom burrito with no cheese. It looks gigantic. Diet starts in a week. I just got these cheeses from Yam Chops. They sell a bunch of vegan cheese. And I guess these are both Toronto-based companies. So this one is tree nut cheese, sharp and smoky. And these are like gourmet cheeses, okay? This one is nuts for cheese, smoky artichoke and herb. Both were, I think, $12.50. So like literally spent $26 on cheese, but it's gonna be a wine and cheese night. So hopefully it's worth it. So that's the artichoke and herb, I think. And this one is the smoky one. They're both kind of melted a little bit, especially this one. But it's still good. Well, I haven't tried this one yet. And I'm leaving in a few hours, and I'm here having brunch, and I decided to have something healthy. So we're at this restaurant called Fresh, and it's a chain. It's a chain here in Toronto, and it's pretty much all vegan other than like a few items. And they have a lot of kind of healthy like salads and bowls, and they also have brunch here. And normally I would probably get like the vegan brunch, like scrambled tofu, all of that jazz, like pancakes and stuff, but I need to be healthy. Not that scrambled tofu isn't healthy, but like I want to have like lots of vegetables. So I got like a bowl. We all got bowls, and we all got smoothies. So here's the smoothie. And this is the macrobiotic.